Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial we will learn how to make Zara cap with twist. Zara cap with twist band. Let me just take it like that. Or Zara cap with band. Right now I have my fabric. I have two different fabric. I want to mix color. I have my Zara cap already made, the base of the Zara cap. It has already been made. You can learn it from my subsequent video how to make it. I have my fiber. Then I have my other fabrics for bowl. I will tell you the measurements that I use for everything. I also have my matching color thread. I'm using red. Then for the measurement for the loop, the twist, the one I will use for twist, I use 25 inches by 5.5. 25 inches by 5.5. You can use 25 inches by 6 or 25 inches by 5. That's the measurement for the two. Then for the bowl, I use 25 inches by 13 inches. 25 inches by 13 inches. That's what I use for the bowl. So let's get started. You will fold your fabric right side facing each other. You know the shiny part, it will face each other. Then you will sew it down. You sew the longest part down. You sew it down. You take to your sewing. I'll take to my sewing machine and sew it down. I'll do that to both fabric, to the red one also. I have sewed them now. Can you see the way I sewed it? Then I will now turn it. I will turn it, putting the rough side inside. See the way I'm turning it. I will do that for the two sides. I have turned it to now. Then I will now fill it with my fiber. You can use foam, but I prefer fiber because it's a bit succulent to give your work a neat job. So I'll fill it with fiber. I'll fill the two with fiber before we start twisting, so that it will have a puff side, a puff effect. Sorry, a puff effect for us. I've turned it to now. I've filled the two, so it remains to twist. Now you will take the tip, one tip of the two loop. You can take it to your sewing machine and you can use needle and thread to sew it together. I have used my sewing machine to sew it like that. Then you start twisting. You start twisting. You can see the way I joined them. I joined the two together. So you just start twisting. You can place something heavy, or you put it on a place, or you use your leg to hold it. Anyhow, but you shall twist. Just look at the way I'm twisting my own now. Because when I discovered that this thing cannot do, I just put it in my mouth to twist, since I don't have someone that can hold it for me. You see where it's reached. Then we will now make our elastic, the elastic band for the back, so that it will go round. For the elastic band, you can use the length of 10 by 4 width. The breadth will be 4 width, then the length will be 10 inches. So then the elastic, the fabric, then for the elastic, just use 4 inches. 4 inches of that elastic. I use the big elastic, not the small one. So after sewing it, like you are sewing a loop, the way I sew the loop, then you insert your elastic in it. I hope you understand the loop I'm talking about. The twist, the way I sew it before I twist it. That's how you will sew it, turn it, then you put your elastic inside. You can use a safety pin or nails. I have already done that now. You can see that. Then you tack it with the tip of the twist. You tag the both mouths with the tip of the twist. I mean the two mouths of the elastic with the tip of the twist again. This is what we have. Then I'll just place it on the Zara cap to see if it fits. You can see that it fits very well. It goes round now. We are not leaving it like this. We want to put bowl. That's a bonus in for the tutorial. We want to put bowl at the back. So we are making our bowl. Don't forget the measurement that I said. 25 by 13. 25 by 13. You fold the fabric into two like this, two equal parts. Then you sew it round. Then you leave, when you're about to be done, you leave like 2 inches so that you will use it to turn your fabric. I have sewn it right now. Then I use that 2 inches that I left to turn it. I have turned it like that. Then after that, you iron it as well. Don't forget to iron. You can see that all my fabric is a little bit rumpled, because when I was making this tutorial there was no light in my area, so I have to just, because I want to put something out there for you guys, that's why I just do it like that. So make sure you iron your fabric very well so that it will give you a neater job. So you make that bowl. You can see the way I make the bowl. Then you attach it to the twist. So that means the twist is detachable. You can put it, sometimes you can wear your Zara cap alone. Sometimes you can use the twist band alone, the twisted band alone. So it's just two in one cap. Sure you understand? Or let me say 3-in-1 cap, 3-in-1 Zara cap. Can you see the result that we have here? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and drop comments. See you in our next video. Thank you. Subscribe so that you will get notified.